Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. So today we will be talking about how to fix Life360 phone not showing online. So to fix this issue, you can start by restarting the device. Just power your phone off for 30 seconds and back on to clear temporary glitches. The next what you can do is check your internet connection. Make sure that your cellular data or your Wi-Fi is active because Life360 requires a consistent data connection, not just a signal. Now the next what you can do is disable the battery saver mode because battery optimization often kills background apps. Now the next what you can do is go to your device settings and then find location services. Once you find location services, scroll down to find Life360, tap on it. Now make sure that the location access is set to always and the precise location is turned on. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.